We are looking at a highly specific style of video right now. Across Shorts platforms, there is massive audience demand for these miniature, colorful paper crafts folding themselves together in smooth stop motion. Creators operating in this niche are scaling their pages incredibly fast. The tactile, satisfying nature of the assembly process keeps viewers watching on a continuous loop, driving up retention. Building these intricate miniatures by hand requires hours of precise cutting, folding, and gluing, but that physical labor has been entirely replaced by a 3-step AI automation system. To set this workflow up, grab the master template document linked in the description and open 3 specific browser tabs: ChatGPT, Gemini AI, and Flow AI. By locking in this specific tech stack, you completely remove the artistic friction of paper crafting. Anyone with these 3 tabs open can operate a high-volume content studio. Step 1 happens inside ChatGPT. You must select every single line. Missing even one instruction breaks the system's formatting parameters, and the AI will fail to generate the correct outputs. Paste that copied text into the chat. Within seconds, it outputs 10 unique paper crafting concepts. Review the list and select the single idea that best fits your channel. Now copy that specific idea and paste it right back into the exact same chat window. This triggers the next phase of the logic engine. The engine splits the architecture into a storyboard prompt and a video prompt. The storyboard output maps exactly how the paper pieces fit together, frame by frame. The video output controls the motion sequence, dictating the assembly's speed and style. This split methodology is strictly necessary. You have to decouple the static visual aesthetic from the motion parameters, or the final AI engine will confuse the design with the animation. With the logic sorted, we transition to the second tool. Copy the first output, the storyboard image prompt, and bring it over to Google Gemini. Paste it into the prompt box and hit Generate. Gemini takes those highly specific structural constraints and begins processing them to lock in the exact geometry of the paper. The output here is a clean, highly detailed storyboard grid showing 6 sequential steps of your paper shape being constructed. Download this image immediately. It serves as the required structural foundation for the final animation phase. Without this static blueprint, video generators will hallucinate shifting shapes and melting paper. This specific image forces the final engine to adhere to a consistent physical reality. Open your final software environment, Flow AI. Upload the static storyboard image you just saved to your drive. There are 2 critical UI interactions required here. First, manually toggle the Flow AI agent switch to the active position. Second, click the 3 dots menu on your uploaded image and select Add to Prompt. This binds your visual reference directly to the logic sequence. Return to ChatGPT one last time. Copy the second output, the video generation prompt, paste it into the Flow AI text box and hit Generate. The system will begin analyzing the request, but there is a hidden failure point here. The automated agent will halt operations to await your manual authorization before proceeding. To bypass this, expand the agent control panel on the side of your screen and approve the override request. Executing this specific sequence successfully binds a rigid visual reference to a dynamic motion algorithm, guaranteeing a controlled, predictable animation every time. This is the successful execution. You get smooth, cinematic animation of colorful paper layers rapidly stacking to form a lush 3D landscape. The initial setup is complete. You've entered a highly efficient production loop. Loop back to step 1. 9 unused concepts are ready for the visual and motion nodes. Or use the universal prompt, swapping single variables, like an animal, to create new product lines. If you want to integrate more of these automated content systems into your production pipeline, like this video and subscribe to the channel. What required specialized artistic skill is now a highly scalable logic puzzle. Your output is limited only by the prompt permutations you feed it.